latest episode of STtalks. I'm Laura Demmer, your host, and today I'm here with Sara Westberry, STgenetics Genetic Service Leader for our genetics team. She is here to tell us about STgenetics' newest tool. But before we jump into all the details on that, welcome to the podcast today, Sara.
Thank you so much for having me.
So in this STtalks podcast, Sara will be telling us about STgenetics' newest technology platform called Strategy. So to start, Sara, can you tell us exactly what is Strategy?
Strategy is an interactive web-based platform that leverages STgenetics' integrated approach to promote profitable and sustainable breeding strategies. It will eventually encompass all of the products and services available from ST and leverage their benefits from 4M semen to Vision Plus genomic testing, chromosomal mating, beef add-on, and so much more.
So why did STgenetics create this platform? What was their goal with this new technology?
STgenetics has developed many new technologies, products, and services that we promote as our integrated approach. And each of these products or services is impactful on their own, but extremely powerful when used in combination with one another. So we offer Vision Plus genomic testing to help our customers understand the genetic dynamics of their herd so they know which are their best females and which are their worst. We also offer the right genetics for profitability and feed conversion efficiency with EcoFeed for dairy and beef add-on bulls in our 4M semen, which is the most advanced sex sorted semen on the market. Customers can also maximize the benefits of genomic testing and sex semen in the chromosomal mating program. So essentially, we provide all of the tools necessary to accelerate genetic progress and profitability in each step of the breeding process. We wanted to create a platform that helps our customers understand the benefit and the return on investment from each of the products and services we offer in a very user-friendly and visually dynamic way.
That's awesome. So how long has the planning of Strategy been going on? How long have you been, testing and creating this platform?
Our team has been developing and planning the foundation of the strategy platform for about a year. We have a really incredible cross functional team with diverse knowledge of different aspects of STgenetics business that have given really great insights into the different tools in the strategy platform. And so once we built the foundation, we also had multiple test groups across different countries testing and giving feedback on the platform.
So what are the main capabilities of Strategy today?
Well, strategy is really meant to encompass all of the tools and services available at STgenetics. So we will continuously be adding new features and tools to this platform. But today we have our first two tools available, including herd dynamics and herd statistics. So that first tool, herd dynamics, visualizes female data based on pedigree and genomic data side by side so you can understand the genetics that are currently available in your herd. In this tool, you can also upload female data so that genomic data can be displayed for your current population, as well as trait values that are derived from pedigree data for those females in your herd without genomic data. There are over 140 data points available for you to filter your female data based on what's important to your profitability and sustainability. Genetic progress charts are also available in this tool for you to track your genetic success over 48 different traits. You can also see how your herd genetics compare to the average genomic female, as well as the top 25% of females with genomic data. That second tool that I mentioned, herd statistics, this tool predicts the number of heifer replacements you need to create per month and per year based on inputs from your herd, including target herd size and culling data. So, herd statistics also calculates how many beef add on calves you have the opportunity to create per month and per year if you incorporate a beef on dairy strategy.
That's very impressive. So I guess my next question is, who exactly is Strategy for? Who will be using the tool?
So, strategy is currently going to be utilized by ST personnel for the benefit of our ST customers.
Will this become more accessible for producers to use or, herd managers to use eventually?
Yes. So, in the near future, we will have some of the tools in strategy available for direct use by some of our customers.
When someone enrolls in strategy, what initial information or data needs to be entered into the platform?
The tools and strategy follow a logical progression of how a customer would make breeding decisions. So, the first step is to add female data for the current population of females at a farm so that pedigree and genomic data can be displayed depending on what information is available. To include genomic data and strategy, a customer just needs to provide the registration number that was utilized for the female's genomic evaluation, which is that 17-digit number. And then if customers have females without genomic data, they can provide pedigree data, including sire, dam, and maternal grandsire information. Other herd inputs that will be required in the herd statistics tool include target herd size and current population size, including numbers of heifers and cows.
So, like you said earlier, you've been testing this with herds and with ST personnel. What has been the feedback you've heard so far on how user friendly the platform is?
That was at the forefront of our mind when we were creating this tool. So, that is one of the positive feedbacks that we have received from the people that have tested this, that it is very user friendly and is very logical in the progression of how you use the tools. We also have created what we call help text. So, any data point that you see or field that requires input has a little question mark next to it that you can hover over, and a help text will pop up if you're not familiar with what that field is requiring, or, for instance, what an abbreviation stands for. So, it's very intuitive to help you understand what the program is requiring and what data it's giving back.
So, will this help with genetic audits? You already said making better breeding decisions overall, culling decisions. Are there any other large management decisions or assistance that this will help with?
Absolutely. The goal of the entire platform is to help our customers make profitable and sustainable breeding strategies. Our genetic progress charts, as I mentioned previously, are currently available in strategy and will be very beneficial in a genetic audit to visualize the progress that has been made over time in traits that are important to a particular farm, and may even reveal areas where there's an opportunity to make continued progress. Our benchmarking features will also indicate for our customers where the average and top group of genomic females born in a particular birth year rank for each trait compared to a customer's females. In reference to breeding decisions and culling decisions, our females filter tool will allow our customers to filter over 140 data points for their females to find the best and worst females in their herd. In the future, we will also incorporate a feature to create a customized index to rank females in a herd based on a combination of multiple traits.
Very impressive. So, when we're talking about making a better breeding decision, will the chromosomal mating program be assisting in this decision through strategy, or is this a whole new technology within strategy that's helping breeders make that decision?
Yes, so we will have multiple new tools available to help in these breeding decisions, and chromosomal mating will also be incorporated into strategy later on this year. So we'll continue to use the platform side by side so you can maximize the benefits of what we have available in strategy today, while also continuing to use chromosomal mating. And later this year, we will be including chromosomal mating on the strategy platform.
You covered this a bit earlier today, but I just want to dive into it a little further. Will strategy work well for herds that only genomically test certain individuals or certain groups within their herd? Like, will the platform still give the right information and data for herds that give both genomic and pedigree information?
Yes, so this tool is for herds with and without genomic data. Genomic data will always provide the most accurate information for making breeding decisions. But if it's not available, strategy will calculate pedigree PTA values for traits like net merit, TPI, milk, DPR. So all of those production, type, health, reproductive traits, and all the data for the herd can be visualized together. We felt like that was very important to be able to look at the results for both genomic and pedigree females because a lot of our customers have both in their herds.
So, is strategy a web based program only, or can someone access this through their phone? What does that look like?
Strategy is web based, and we will also be developing a strategy phone application because we think that that will make it even more accessible and efficient to be able to utilize. And we expect to have this next year.
That is exciting. So, with the web based platform and the application soon to be coming, will strategy send any type of notification or alert when genomic information or any type of data for your herd changes?
So within the strategy of platform, there is a timestamp in the herd dynamics page that indicates when the data that you're viewing for your herd was last updated. If the timestamp is orange or red, this indicates that your data may be outdated. So next to the timestamp, there's a button you can click to update the information that's being displayed. So you can always view the most up to date genomic information. So you never have to wait to resynchronize this data. You can always get the most up to date information when you're using the strategy tool.
Are there any plans for this to be implemented internationally?
We actually launched Strategy as a global tool in three different languages. So we have English, Spanish, and Portuguese available, and we will continue to add new languages in the future. And the entire platform was designed with a global perspective in mind so that all STgenetics customers can benefit from its features.
So, my final question today, Sarah, is can you tell us why the name strategy was chosen for this platform?
So, the word strategy in the dictionary means a plan of action designed to achieve a major or overall aim. And that's really exactly what we designed this platform to accomplish for our customers. We really want to help our customers make a plan of action based on the most accurate data that we can provide to them to achieve the most profitable and sustainable herd possible.
Great. And I lied. I have one more question for you. What has been the most rewarding part of building this platform for you? You've been a part of a lot of different programs and products through ST Genetics, but for strategy specific, what has been the most exciting thing that you've worked on for this?
So strategy is really something that we've talked about and dreamed about for a long time. I've been with STgenetics for 6 years, and parts of this platform really have been discussed since I started working at ST. And so seeing that all come together to be able to help our customers has been really rewarding. The team that has put so much effort into this platform has been incredible to work with. And I think that all of our goal was to really help our customers be able to use our services and products to really benefit their farm. And so that's really what makes me the most excited is getting feedback that this is really helping people. It's very easy to use, so they're able to understand the data that they have. So that's really the best part is being able to work with the team to accomplish this vision and then get that feedback that it is so beneficial for our customers.
That's great. Well, congratulations on the official launch of Strategy. Congrats to your team. And just thank you, Sarah, for joining us today and sharing all of this knowledge about strategy.
Thank you so much.
This was another episode of ST Talks. If you liked what you heard, you can find more episodes on your favorite podcast platform by searching ST Talks or ST Genetics. And if you want to learn more about ST Genetics, you can visit our website at stgen.com or find us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter.